Okay, so welcome to Red Rivals. And I know we have been a little bit inconsistent, especially I have been inconsistent with my United videos, obviously. And a lot has happened while we were not uploading. Um, the main thing, Andre Onana has left my football club. Have you seen that image of, I don't know, was it German soldiers or Russian soldiers, I think? तो वो हिटलर डेड करके ऐसे वो न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं ना. So that is how I felt when I heard the news. He's gone on loan. So yeah, I mean that speaks for itself. Andre Onana has left my great football club, and I am very happy, obviously. And काफ कुछ दिन तक बहुत अच्छा खासा ड्रामा चला था इस पे. मतलब एमी मार्टिनेज आने वाला था. He cried for Aston Villa उस like supposedly last game में. थोड़ा aura loss there, but it went on. This saga went on for a while, like good 2 3 days. But eventually, we bought Senil Lamens from Antwerp, which is a Belgian league ka club hai. So Senil Lamens, see, we had the option or the chance to get Emi Martinez, but the deal fell off, or something came up. But Senil Lamens आ चुका है. He is a 23-year-old. एंड ऑन फर्स्ट व्यू, बस हाइलाइट्स के बेसिस पे बोल रहा हूँ, ऑब्वियसली वी आर नॉट. तुम भी झूठ बोल रहे हो अगर तुम कह रहे हो कि तुम बेल्जियन लीग देखते थे, अनलेस यू आर लाइक अ क्लब ब्रूज फैन और समथिंग. आई मीन नहीं यार, इंडिया में तो आई मीन वट एवर. सो ऑन फर्स्ट व्यू, बस हाइलाइट्स के बेसिस पे, ही लुक्स रियली गुड. ऑल गोलकीपर्स डू है ना, मतलब यू जस्ट हैव टू, सेव तो करना पड़ता ही है ना इवेंचुअली इफ यू आर अ कीपर. सो हाँ, बट आई वुड लाइक टू गिव हिम द बेनिफिट ऑफ द डाउट थोड़ा. his reflexes look crazy, like वो मतलब on the क्या बोलते हैं deflected shots को he somehow like reaches a leg out or a hand out. and कुछ 5 6 बार ये सेव देखा मैंने उसके like highlight उसमें catalog में. So that is an interesting aspect. Obviously Onana never does that. He has done that probably like 5 10 times in his 2 years at United. So stats पे आते हैं. Lamens washes Onana, like it is not even close. Like nobody, I don't think Onana does better than any keeper in the league. पता नहीं किसी random stat में करता होगा, like sideways passes or something. So Onana has a 14.3 percentage in penalty saves in the last 1 year, as compared to Lamens with a 66.7 percentage. Can you believe that? That is absolutely crazy. 14.3. और हम सब ने ग्रिम्सबी वाले गेम में तो देखा ही था कि लाइक इवन इफ ही गेसेस राइट, तो उसके हाथ मतलब they just don't allow him to keep the ball out. So Lamens with a 66.7 percentile, by the way, is even better than Emi Martinez, who has a 50% rate of saving penalties in the last 1 year. So obviously, I'm not saying that I'd rather have Lamens over Emi Martinez like for a penalty shootout. Penalty shootout, mein, it's not even a debate. Like Emi Martinez is top one all time. Like he's the Gojo of that shit. Like he's Goku in terms of penalty saving. Top one ever. No, I don't know, bhai. I'll take him any day, especially in like a big game. So yeah, but I'm just saying this, to sort of increase the trust of United fans. 66.7 percentage in penalty saves is insane. Like that is really really good. So yeah, we'll take that. We'll take any W coming our way. अभी तक एक ही विन है हमारा 3 गेम में. सो एनीवेज वी आर अहेड ऑफ सिटी. सो लाइक अभी कुकी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करना पड़ रहा अपने आप को वो लीग टेबल में देखने के लिए. वी आर डूइंग गुड डिस्पाइट वट एवर पीपल से. एंड अभी मैनचेस्टर डर्बी है 3 4 दिन बाद. सो वी शुड गो इन टू दैट विद कॉन्फिडेंस, क्योंकि हम उनसे ऊपर हैं. डोंट फॉरगेट दैट. द मीडिया इज नॉट गोइंग टू टेल यू दिस. नोबडी इज गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट इट, क्योंकि इट इज पेप गार्डियोला, इट इज मैनचेस्टर सिटी. They have 2 losses, we have one. So I'm just saying, like, एक और interesting stat है, which is the like the percentage of crosses you stop. So उसमें Lamens has a cross stop percentage of 11.2% as compared to Onana with a 5.4%. So this gap of 6%, like that is crazy. Matlab, crosses are so, like, they are how you concede goals, especially when you have, matlab, you're aerially bad, like your defense is not as good, like in terms of defending set pieces or against great set piece teams. तो crosses से ही तुम गोल खाते हो, and you need a keeper who is, थोड़ा तो like aggressive, थोड़ा dominant, क्योंकि like ओनाना जस्ट नेवर वाज, है ना. एंड मतलब लूक शॉ हो गया, लिसांड्रो मार्टिनेज हो गया, दीज आर ऑल good players, but they are not as good on, defending crosses. So I think we needed a keeper like that, and Emi Martinez also would have worked, but like we'll take what we got. Anything is better than Onana, hai na? So an 11.4 percentage. I don't know what that is as compared to, the world class goalkeepers, the क्या बोलते हैं, Allison's and Courtois, whatever. But I'll take it, है ना? It is an improvement, obviously. So a fewer, मतलब lesser goals conceded from crosses is what we should expect now. And I need to mention Bayern, by the way, क्योंकि he's staying, but मतलब the guy is 6'6", I think, or 6'4", I don't exactly remember. But he was not as good on crosses as he should have been, given his physique, given he looks like a decently strong man. Like he should be more assertive, right? So he just never, I don't know, he just never struck that confidence in us United fans. Obviously, he had a great game, Arsenal वाला FA Cup, never forget. जब Zugzi ने सलीबा को जमीन पे लिटाया था. That game by Andier was man of the match for me though. I don't remember officially मिला था कि नहीं, but he just never struck that confidence in you, है ना. And I think he'll be fine, coming ऐसे Carabao Cup में. Oh shit, we're out of the Carabao Cup. Bayern is getting no playing time this season, so Bayern you might as well, go on a vacation. एक important चीज़ है कि why, अब देखो, the fan base is 50-50 split on this. I mean 50-50 क्या, I think it's 60-40 by what I have read in comments, है ना, और by the pages which I follow. उसके basis पे the people advocating for us, we should have gone for Emi Martinez. We should have pursued it more than some random Belgian keeper, है ना. So I get that thing, but just to speak defensively for the club, Sene Lamens will be less chaotic. Like, मतलब यार, our club is just drama. It is Netflix. It is like pure cinema, है ना. अब why would you? I mean, obviously, Emi Martinez is world class, or maybe a little bit lower than world class, but he is really good, है ना. But he is still the same dude who will like save a penalty and then like dance in front of the other striker, or like come up with a randomly outrageous comment or get caught doing something. He just has the media. The media always has their eye on Emi Martinez, and he's also 33 years old. So do we really needed that? Like, did we really need that at our club? I see. He would have been great. Obviously, there's no doubt about that. But I think it is a good thing that we did not go for him. So that works. Obviously, like तुम्हें याद है ना जब I guess it was Bruno who skied his penalty back when Ronaldo was at United, like his second time around. तो उसने sky किया, and then Emi Martinez came up to him and he was like, you should have let Ronaldo take it, or like dancing and all that. Do we really need that? क्योंकि फिर पूरी एनर्जी राइवल फैंस की इट्स जस्ट फोकस्ड ऑन अस अगेन, है ना. अब ब्रूनो को तो हेट करते हैं सब लोग फॉर व्हाटएवर वाइनिंग, है ना. तो अब एमी मार्टिनेज भी घुस जाएगा उस कैटेगरी में. फिर द बैंटर, ऑल ऑफ दिस, लाइक आई एम टू टायर्ड फॉर ऑल ऑफ दिस बुलशिट. लाइक इट्स फाइन, है ना. सो Sané Lamens is here, and as compared to Emi Martinez, he is like it's like ice and water. मतलब लाइट और एल, तुम कोई भी मेसी रोनाल्डो मान लो, बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ ऑरा फार्मिंग, Sané Lamens has zero aura. Like, what does he do? Like, कुछ, he's just standing there भाई. Like, he's the type of dude to like, क्या बोलते हैं, मतलब उसकी बर्थडे पार्टी में तुम्हें वो प्लास्टिक के प्लेट में ऐसे चिप्स और वो मिलेंगे, लाइक चिप्स और केक, पूरा whipped क्रीम वाला जो केक होता है ना, he is that type of guy, like he's just standing in a corner, like मतलब अगर सनी लामेंस यहाँ पे खड़ा है तो like he'll just be silent over there in that corner, and like he'll just wait for me to finish my video so that he can resume his work, क्योंकि मतलब he's just that type of guy, he's so chill, कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा बंदा भाई, like उसको नाम पूछा, he'll just be like Sene Lamens, like bro you are a keeper, you're a professional, do something, मतलब कुछ कर भाई, like he just smiles, उसका हर इंटरव्यू ही जस्ट स्माइलिंग, ही इज जस्ट बीइंग अ गुड गाय, बिल्कुल अच्छे लड़के वाला हेयर कट, मतलब बिल्कुल मेरी तरह। एंड आई डोंट नो, लाइक इट इज द एग्जैक्ट ऑपोजिट ऑफ एमी मार्टिनेज। अभी तक एमी मार्टिनेज कुछ बोल चुका होता कि आई नो आई शैट ऑन यू लॉट, है ना, विला के लिए, बट नाउ आई एम हियर, ये सब सनी लामेंस इज हैविंग नन ऑफ इट, ही इज जस्ट हियर। एंड आई थिंक दैट्स ग्रेट, क्योंकि भाई वी आर डन विद ऑल दीज प्लेयर्स, मतलब जो इतना कुछ फालतू का शिट टॉक करें एंड देन दे डोंट बैक इट अप। जैसे उनाना ने कहा था एक टाइम पे कि नेक्स्ट सीजन आई एम गोइंग टू बी टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्क्स, एंड वी सॉ द रिस्क्स, एंड they were risks indeed. So yeah, on first view I will repeat once again कि सनी लेमन्स looks great, बस हाइलाइट्स के बेसिस पे जज कर रहा हूँ। और he has also by the way scored a winner, I think it was a header, तो like for his like under 19 team में, but it was against Real Madrid also, so that is something। मतलब अब जब हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, वूल्व्स या क्रिस्टल पैलेस या किसी भी मिड टियर क्लब या लोअर, इप्सविच, सॉरी इप्सविच तो है नहीं, बट हम किसी छोटे क्लब से जब 2-1 हार रहे होंगे ना अवे, तो फिर सनी लामेंस आएगा हेडर के लिए, एंड देन ही इक्वलाइज 2-2 कर देगा। पहला गोल भी हैरी मैगवायर ही मारेगा। सो लाइक द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर विच लामेंस लाइक edges over, Lamens doesn't edge, he takes it over like Emi Martinez, is that he is 23, which is 10 years younger than Emi Martinez. So like if it works then it's good ना कि you're sorted। मतलब तुम हर विंडो में ऐसा नहीं है ना कि 5 पोजीशन के हमें प्लेयर खरीदने हैं, तो वो पैनिक, वो खतरा नहीं रहेगा, है ना। तो इट इज़ नाइस कि ही इज़ 23, एंड एमी मार्टिनेज तुम लोगे तो फिर क्या, 2 साल बाद तुम ट्रांसफर विंडो में मिडफील्डर ये सब ढूंढ रहे हो, एंड तुम्हारे दिमाग में ये भी है कि ओ वी आल्सो नीड अ गोलकीपर, एंड देन यूर आउट ऑफ फंड्स, यू गेट अ गोलकीपर, यू डोंट गेट अ मिडफील्डर और ये सब। तो ये सब होने का इससे बेटर है कि यू इन्वेस्ट इन अ यंग प्लेयर हु लुक्स प्रॉमिसिंग, हु हैज अ डिसेंट प्रोफाइल अप टू नाउ। सो लाइक we should be doing this more often, मतलब these low key players who don't have a lot of hype, क्योंकि एक पैटर्न है यूनाइटेड में कि तुम जितने हाइप वाले प्लेयर खरीदोगे, सो द शर्ट वेज देम डाउन, मतलब दे कांट रियली परफॉर्म इन अ यूनाइटेड किट, वी हैव सीन दैट, आई डोंट इवन नीड टू नेम देम। तो या आई थिंक Lamens इज गोइंग टू वर्क, inshallah, fingers crossed, hopefully, please work Lamens, like I am here for you, please। क्रॉस से गोल मत खाओ, पेनल्टीज, मतलब क्या बोलूं, लाइक don't concede 12 goals in a penalty shootout। So, I think that's it for the video. And I will make another one about the Manchester Derby, which is upcoming and which we are going to win. So, stay tuned. See you in the next.